Welcome to Aiden AI, the channel where we explore the most powerful AI tools shaping the future. Here you'll find honest AI reviews, hands-on tests, and simple breakdowns of tools that can help you create faster, work smarter, and stay ahead in the AI world. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, developer, or just curious about artificial intelligence, this channel helps you discover what's actually worth using. If you want to keep up with the latest AI innovation and tools, make sure to subscribe and let's explore the future of AI together. Imagine having an AI that can write your ads, captions, emails, and even content ideas in seconds. That's exactly what Copy.ai is built for, and it's quickly becoming one of the go-to tools for content creators and marketers. So, what is Copy.ai? It's an AI-powered copywriting tool that helps you generate different types of content just by typing a short prompt. You can choose from things like social media captions, product descriptions, blog ideas, email subject lines, and more. Within seconds, the tool gives you multiple versions to choose from, which you can edit or use right away. One of the best things about Copy.ai is how easy it is to use. You don't need any writing experience or technical skills. Just type in your idea, select a template, and let the AI do the work. This makes it perfect for beginners, small business owners, and anyone who needs content quickly without spending hours writing. Another major advantage is speed. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you instantly get several content ideas. This can save a huge amount of time, especially if you're posting regularly on social media or running marketing campaigns. Copy. AI also comes with a wide range of templates, which makes it even more useful. Whether you're creating ads, captions, or short form marketing content, it gives you a strong starting point so you're never stuck. But of course, it's not perfect. The content it generates can sometimes feel generic or repetitive, especially if your prompt is too simple. You'll often need to tweak the results to match your brand voice or make it sound more natural. It's also not the best choice for long-form content like full blog posts or detailed articles. So, is Copy.ai the best AI copywriting tool? If your goal is to create fast, simple, and effective short-form content, then yes, it's definitely one of the top options out there.